This is going to be a video product review of the, there it is, we'll get this, people, of the Yoctosun LED head magnifier, rechargeable, hands-free, headband magnifying glasses with 2 LED, professional jeweler's loop light bracket and headband, interchangeable, powered by multiple USB sources, your phone, a power bank, a USB on your computer. It's got a power switch, 2 brightness levels, rechargeable battery compartment, micro charging socket, comfortable rubber forehead padding, non-slip side padding, non-slip nose pads, detachable lenses, adjustable light angle. What else is there? Inter-adjustable headband. It's got a 1.0 magnification, a 1.5, a 2, a 2.5, and a 3.5. This thing's got 5 of them. Okay, so let me show you. This is what I've been using for the last forever. This is, and you can't, the company that sold these, they no longer make them. They had a nice little slide band over here. You can't buy them anymore. There's some people are selling these on eBay for some ridiculous price, like 40 bucks. This lamp that I just bought here is 21. I love this thing. I've been using this forever. I believe this is a 1.5. It's I've got one that I believe is a 2 or a 2.5, and you only have a focal area of about this much. Whereas with this, I've got maybe a foot. So what do we have over here? We've got magnification 1, field of view 555 millimeters, up to a 3.5, which is 156 millimeters. I live in the USA, so I have no idea what a millimeter is. Let's open this thing up. But this could be the product that I'm going to be using from now on. I've got a bunch of these, but it's really time to find something to replace them with. So we've got instructions. I'm a guy, we don't read those things. We've got little head strap. I don't know if that's stretchable. I'm not sure how long it will last, or if it's comfortable. We got the USB cable to charge this thing up, same as the old cell phone cables. What do we have here? We got a very, oh, beautiful. We'd be lost without a cloth to clean the lens. This is really nice. Good for this company. They didn't cheap out on this thing. This is a nice case. I'm impressed. This is really nice. I don't know how to open it. Look at this. You got all these different lenses in here. So, wow. What more can I say? This alone, I'm going, this is awesome. I think they're glass. Does it say optical glass? I don't know if this is glass. It's probably glass. I should have looked that up before I did the video, but hey, yeah, I'm just so excited I didn't have any time. So we got this this thing over here. I really need to put on my magnifier to figure out how to use my magnifier. So I'm looking at this thing. This is really neat. I wear glasses, so I looked beforehand. People were saying, can you wear this with glasses? I don't see why not. You got this little protective nose thing over here. Not sure how comfortable that's going to be. I don't know if this is going to last a long time. It feels like it's nice. It's definitely nice. There's no doubt about it. Yeah, your LEDs in the front. I don't know where the switch is to turn it on. There it is. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, both lights on, no lights on. I don't know what that's about. I'll be back in a minute. Hey, okay. So I put this thing on. I'm not going to show you my face. I put this thing on and I'm trying to think, how in the heck do you put this thing on when you're wearing glasses? This just doesn't work. What are they talking about? It does. You put this thing over the top of, at the top of the nose bridge, and you slide it behind your glasses. Now, I don't even know what I've got on here. What do they have a number on the lens for what these are? I don't see a number. There's got to be a number. There has to be. So how do you remove this thing? It just pulls out. There it is. It says, what the heck? This is 3.5. So I'm going to give you my honest thought now with 3.5. I'm totally not used to these. I'm used to these. So this is very odd for me. When I had looked at this, I went, how in the heck does this go over your face when this thing is way down here? So you got to literally raise it up and lower it down, and it works. It does work. Very awkward. It's very awkward because you look at it, you're wondering, why is this angled up instead of down so it goes over the... Okay, so I've got them on now. Ooh, that's a little weird. That is a little weird. It doesn't go over... I'm wearing glasses, so these Whoa, that would make my head spin. 3.5, and the lenses are so close together. Let me try a lower one. I haven't decided if I like it yet. This is a 1.0. This is just totally, it's well made, there's no doubt about it. It's just completely opposite of using one of these. Maybe I need to spend some time and learn to be comfortable with it. See, this is what just throws me off. Look at how these go upward. It's just strange. It's really strange. Maybe I don't know. Let me put these on again. Yeah, if you wear glasses, you're going to have a heck of a time trying to adjust to this thing. The optics are incredibly good. They are very, very good. They're smooth. Okay, now I'm 1.0. I cannot use this close up. I've got to have this almost arm's length, and when it's arm's length, the optics are absolutely amazing. They are clean, they are sharp. These are really good. Speaking of that, let's go to the 1.5 now. I'm going to do the 1.5 because I think that's kind of what I have. I don't know that I'm going to keep these yet. I'm not sure. I'm not sure that I'm happy with this. This is a completely different change from what I'm used to. Goes over the glass. Yeah, this is just so weird trying to get it. This whole thing hits my glass lens, and it's just an awkward design. And again, look at how these go up. I keep wanting to put it on this way instead of this way. The optics are excellent. And this is a little better. This is where the problem comes in for me. This is definitely where the problem comes in. Look at this. Let's do a peace sign. Let's do a peace sign. So we've got, maybe I'm going to be wrong. Maybe this is going to prove me wrong. There's the peace sign. Now let's go with the one that I have that I'm used to. It's the same spacing, but when I put this on, it just goes right in front of my glasses. This slides right down. This is far enough away. I put this on my head. I can keep this up, and then I can slide these down, and I'm fine. And I love it. I'm going to take this again, and I'm going to put these on. I'm going to get this. You can fold this lens out of the way. So let's act like this is out of the way. Again, these things are just driving me nuts how this is positioned. I would be happier if this piece came down, if this was downward like this. This goes down and up, and it's just awkward. It's very awkward and very uncomfortable. To put it on, I've got to maneuver it behind my glasses, and it's in the way. I can't even, this thing is so annoying that I can't get this against my head, because the nose piece is, when this thing's sitting on, let me take off the glasses. When I put this on without the glasses, it fits absolutely perfect. So if you don't wear glasses, you're good. Now somebody's at my door. Good girl. Okay, so now I put them on with my glasses on, and I can't get, that's what it is. This piece bangs into the top of the glass frame. This piece is in the way. Without glasses, these are wonderful. With glasses, these are an absolute nightmare. And then the other, yeah, these are going back. The other problem is that when you have these, you can't turn this up enough. You can't get this out of the way. So this is going to be hanging over the top of your glass frame. I put it on again. Oh my God, I don't like returning stuff. I have to go stand in line, and it's without having it in front of my face. Just on. It's very uncomfortable. And then I can lower the lens, but I don't want to have to, I don't want to have to lower this. This is going to break over time. I don't want to have to do that. I just want to be able to slide this thing down. And these things come with little rivets that you can press. The problem is you can't buy these things at a reasonable price now. But I think I'm going to have to spend the extra money because I love the optics of this. But that's what just throws me off, is let's look at when I've got these on, it feels like these are so close together and my vision is looking this way instead of being able to look outward. Let me put it on one more time and I will give you my final opinion of, yeah, these right now, I've got this thing on my face. Okay, this is what's going on. I've got almost a 3-finger space between this lens and my own glasses. That's a lot of space. That's a lot of distortion when you've got 3 inches of space. Now let's look over here. I've got, no, this is 3 inches from the headband. Let's put this on. When I've got, oh, this is where the difference is. When I've got this on all the way, I've got about 2 fingers of space. And then I hold the sheet of paper and I lower this thing down. And I have to move it closer, but I'm able to move my eyes to the left and the right, and I'm really comfortable. I wanted to keep these because the optic quality of the lens is really good, but I just can't because I'm not going to be able to use it for what I want to be able to use it for. And I think I'm going to be very uncomfortable trying to get used to it. So my advice is, if you don't wear glasses and you just need this to be able to see better or to magnify, you definitely want to buy these because these are really nice. But if you, oh boy, but if you do wear glasses, you're going to have a really hard time getting this thing around the glasses, and then you're also going to have a very hard time getting used to, I can't even get these in here. Okay, so that's going to be my review of the Yoctosun LED head magnifier. I think they're really cool. They're just not for people that wear glasses, and I think this ridiculous design is what throws them off. This, yeah, this is strange. But I'm going to leave an affiliate link in the video description. If you don't wear glasses, click on the link, order these. The optics are beautiful.